Unveiling the meaning behind all the tea in China. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, all the tea in China. This expression is not only colorful but also packed with cultural and historical significance. Stay with us as we explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in conversation. The phrase, all the tea in China, is used to signify a very large amount or value. It's often employed in contexts where someone is emphasizing that no amount of money or wealth could persuade them to change their position or decision. For example, if someone says, "I wouldn't do that for all the tea in China," they mean they wouldn't do it, no matter how much money or reward is offered. This expression taps into the historical context where China was the world's largest producer and exporter of tea. The significance of tea in China's economy and culture is profound, dating back thousands of years. Thus, saying, all the tea in China, metaphorically represents an unimaginably large quantity, reflecting China's dominance in the tea trade. Using all the tea in China correctly requires understanding its emphatic nature. It's perfect for situations where you want to express a strong refusal or highlight the impossibility of changing your mind. Here are a few examples. I wouldn't miss my best friend's wedding for all the tea in China. No amount of money, not all the tea in China, could make me betray a friend. Remember, it's a hyperbolic expression, so it's best used in informal contexts or for dramatic effect. While the phrase is rooted in historical and cultural realities, it's important to appreciate its hyperbolic nature. It showcases the English language's ability to use historical and cultural references to create expressions with a rich and colorful meaning. Recognizing these aspects can enhance your understanding of English and its nuanced expressions. We hope this exploration of all the tea in China has been as enjoyable for you as it was for us. English is full of phrases that paint vivid pictures and carry deep meanings, and understanding them is a key part of mastering the language. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and never hesitate to express yourself with the full palette of English expressions. Happy learning!